Here's how to download YouTube videos on your phone. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Search for or browse to the video you want to download. Once you find the video, tap on it to open it. With the video open, tap the three-dot icon above the comments section. This will open a menu at the bottom. From there, tap Download. Next, you'll see the video quality options. Usually you can download the video in low or medium quality, while higher resolutions are only available with a YouTube Premium subscription. If you're okay with the available option, tap Download. The video will start downloading right away. Once the download is complete, close the current video. Then tap the U tab in the bottom right corner. Here, find the Download section and tap on it. You'll see all the videos you've downloaded. Just tap any downloaded video to start watching it offline. And that's it.